Most gardeners hang up their gloves once fall hits, thinking the growing season is over and the garden is done for the year. But honestly, that's when I start getting excited. There's something magical about planting, when the air is crisp and the leaves are turning. October isn't the end. It's actually one of the best months to plant if you want a thriving winter garden. The soil is still workable, and the cooler temps mean fewer pests and less watering. Today, I'm sharing 18 vegetables to plant right now that not only survive the cold, they actually love it. These crops will keep your garden productive and your kitchen stocked through the chilliest months. Let's get right into it and see what you can grow this season. First up, garlic. Push those cloves into well-drained soil and forget about them until spring. They'll quietly root all winter and reward you with massive bulbs next year. Garlic is almost foolproof and perfect for beginners. Then there's spinach. This leafy green is made for cool weather. Plant it thick and start snipping baby leaves as soon as they pop up. Spinach can even survive under a blanket of snow, bouncing back as soon as the sun returns. Shallots are sweeter and easier than onions, and October is prime time for them. They'll split into clusters by spring, giving you a generous harvest. Try winter lettuce like Winter Density. Toss a row cover on top, and you'll be munching salads even after frost hits. These lettuces are bred to handle the cold and keep growing when others stop. Don't skip fava beans. They fix nitrogen in your soil, so you're prepping for next year while growing a protein-packed crop. Plus, their flowers are beautiful in early spring. Kale actually gets sweeter when kissed by frost. It's one of the hardiest greens and can be harvested all winter long. Onions? Go for overwintering types, and you'll be harvesting early in spring. These onions get a head start while everything else is still waking up. Radishes are fast, plant, wait a few weeks, and enjoy. They're perfect for filling in gaps between slower crops. Arugula brings that spicy kick to your salads, and it laughs at frost. It's quick to grow and can be harvested multiple times. Turnips and rutabagas aren't just for roots. Their greens are super tasty too. Both are versatile, and the roots store well for months. Parsnips? They need cold weather to sweeten up, so they're perfect for a winter garden. Leave them in the ground until you're ready to eat. Get young cabbage transplants in now. Mild frosts just make them tougher. Cabbage heads up beautifully in cool weather. Swiss chard is the showstopper. Colourful stalks, tons of leaves, and it'll survive when others quit. It's both beautiful and productive, brightening up any winter bed. Try marsh or corn salad, a cold hardy green Europeans swear by. It's mild, nutty, and grows when almost nothing else will. Carrots, planted late, get insanely sweet after a frost. Just lay on some mulch. They'll store right in the ground until you're ready to pull them. Miner's lettuce grows low and loves chilly, wet soil. It's a wild green that's easy to grow and packed with nutrients. Mustard greens add a spicy punch to soups and salads. They're quick to sprout and thrive in cool weather. And last but not least, leeks. They take their time, but once they're settled, deep frost won't bother them at all. Leeks are a winter staple, perfect for hearty soups and stews. Most of these thrive in zones 3 through 9, so there's something for almost everyone. If you're in a colder spot, garlic, spinach, and fava beans are your best bets. They're tough, reliable, and will keep your garden alive through the harshest weather. Warmer, try winter lettuce, shallots, and kale. These crops will thrive and give you fresh greens even when it's mild. So don't stash your tools just yet. There's still plenty of time to get your hands in the dirt and enjoy the rewards. Which of these are you planting first? Let me know in the comments, and let's keep those gardens growing all winter long. Happy planting!